Oh hey, welcome back to the vlog. Alright guys, today we are going to Busch Gardens and I'm super pumped about it. I got dressed and I got the school dress. I got dressed and I got the school dress. I think that made sense. I'm drinking some breakfast right now, you know, gotta slim fast. I'm gonna go to Busch Gardens and I'll vlog about it. It's gonna be super lit, so I'll catch you there.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto County Road 587.
Hey, do my feet hit the floor? Yeah, okay, I'm good.
Is that a daily concern of yours? Do my feet hit the floor?
On high chairs, yeah.
I'm vlogging
A nice noise.
this. You like snapping?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good hobby of mine. Allison, why do you keep vlogging?
I don't know, she wants to vlog at Busch Gardens.
Because I got a vlog, bro.
It's a hard grind.
What's a hard grind?
The vlog life.
Hell yeah. Is that who? Yeah. You're disabled.
Oh, look at that face right there. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Hey, what's up?
Wow! Look at those giraffes! Wow! Did you see the giraffe?
I saw the giraffe.
Wow! Oh, where'd they go? Oh, wow! Yeah, these are cooler giraffes.
They're bigger and fatter giraffes.
I like giraffes.
The leaning tower of chocolate and cream.
Wow, that's a turtle!
It's a
It's a
tortoise.
tortoise.
It's a turtle!
Tortoise turtle.
It's so slow. Johnny, why are you in there? Hey, Allison.
This is really amusing.
Maddie, you want to be in my vlog?
Their heads look like little penises.
Hello there.
We out here.
How's it going, vlog?
We out here.
Are you having fun, squad
Johnny.
fam? Squad fam?
Alright, let's go.
Wow, this is great. Oh, this is good lighting. It makes
only one light.
my hair look aggressively greener, and it makes me look really sweaty and gross. We're on Coburt's Purse right now. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. Hell
Look
yeah.
at that.
What?
That's the elevator. There's an
Okay.
elevator.
Why?
What do you mean why? It puts us up to the top, so you don't go up. It just goes straight up.
Okay. I thought you meant like a legit elevator. We like get out and we walk on and go on another one.
No, it's a legit. It is a legit elevator. It just goes up. Elevators go up and down.
I thought you were talking about like an elevator.
Yeah, it is an elevator.
Okay, I'm done with this conversation.
Look at the elevator.
Arms up. I'm so excited. Wow, what a stud.
What's up?
What's good? Hell yeah. Wow. Oh my god, look at that view. I'll do us
spinning.
this time. Are we spinning in circles? Are we gonna go down backwards?
Backwards.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Can I get a hell yeah? No, just say it. Hell
Can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Johnny and Maddie are gonna go on Shikra, and me and Alistair don't want to because it's scary. So we're gonna go feed birds.
We're gonna go feed birds.
So transition.
Birds.
If it poops on me, it literally just landed on my head.
It likes your head.
Alright. Can you come on my ow? That was pretty good. Becky. Becky. Becky.
Thank you.
Becky, let me smash. Oh. You can bite my bracelet, but not my skin. I like it. Can you go on my shoulder? Come on, go on my shoulder. Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna go up your hair now. Oh.
I want to take a, ow, ow, it's biting my skin. Ow, ow, oh my God. What the heck? It's biting my skin. Bite my nails. Here, I know birds like that. Yeah? What else?
Don't look at me.
Beck, give him a smash. Oh, oh, it's on my phone again. Look, you can see its tail. This is so funny. What the heck?
Switch.
It's on my camera. Come back to me. Get off my
No, switch the camera again.
Oh, got him.
It's gonna.
Push the cup so you can do it too. Oh, or not. You can
It's gone.
You can end the video. I'll say bye. Ooh, I know Liz would be so jealous right now. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.